Check it out, ChefsTemp ProTemp Plus. Couldn't wait to get this thing. We're going to show you a little bit of an instructional video on how to connect it. So package came, actually there's a little bit of water. We had a northeastern storm go through, and then we had a heavy rain, and this was in transit that whole time that was happening. But I did already unpack it and charge it already, but it's pretty cool. This thing sets up nice for when you're grilling there. It comes with 3 different probe markers. Those actually clip onto the probes if you have multiple probes. I only have one here right now. Your instruction booklet, which you should read this cover to cover. I'm not one for following instructions the best, but I did read this. It's good information. Charging cable, and then some actual, these are some probe kind of sensors you can put on there as well. But came packaged well. Like I said, even with the weather, it came out pretty good. Next step is to connect it. So I already downloaded the app, and there's QR codes in the book here, and I think in the very beginning there is, if I remember right. Yeah, QR codes in the book for whatever your phone is. So I have an iPhone. You create an account at that point. So right now it's going to be on add device. I'm going to try to do screenshots along the way here too. So I'm going to pull this out, power it on. So I might have trouble with seeing this because of facing the other way. So it's active and charged, so I already did that. It's turned on. I'm going to go next. Again, I'm going to do screenshots along the way here just so we save everything. I removed the probe already. I did that in advance, so that was my fault getting ahead of it one step there, but no big deal. I'm going to go next. So the next step is to hold these 2 buttons together, and then you'll see C1. So C1, what it's now doing is activating Bluetooth, so it's searching for devices right now. I'm sorry, I hit the button that says search device, and then it says connected successfully. So it's saying the main is unbound at this point yet. So I'm going to go close that, go next. Connecting to Wi-Fi. So I'm going to connect my Wi-Fi. It's at C2, which is right. This screen here is going to be just putting my Wi-Fi in and my password. So now it's connecting to my Wi-Fi. It's at C5, which is right. It says 100% done. Again, I'm going to try to do screenshots so we can kind of show those as well. And then it just says start cooking. So we're in the garage right now. It's showing 61 degrees on my phone here. And then you can go through the steps to set up on how to cook. In the future, so there, it's all good. In the future, we're going to actually cook with it, and we'll show you more steps along the way. But we just wanted to show you a quick how-to in a sense. But I actually connected right after I got it, and then I thought, why don't we do a video on how to do it? So I actually just labeled everything I did and just started over for that part to show this video. So pretty simple. I know I saw a lot of comments about having some difficulties, but it was a very simple process. I understand if you're having problems, it is a pain sometimes, but first time I did it, I went too fast and I got caught up, and I just started over and went back through it, and all was good. So just follow the steps, follow the instructions, and you should be good to go.